The fuse box location every Toyota Rush owner should know. Passenger compartment fuse box. In a passenger compartment, the main block with fuses and relays is located on the left side of the dashboard behind the protective cover. For more details on this topic, please check our YouTube video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Engine compartment. Under the hood, the main fuse and relay box is located next to the battery.